our topic is parking slot indicator. We will open Tinkercad. Click on create, click on circuits. We will take the required components, that is first is Arduino, place it over here, then take a breadboard, place it over here, and then what we need is buzzer. We'll place it over here, and then what we need is ultrasonic sensor. Take this resistor, keep it over here, and we need one more resistor. We'll take it, keep it over here for this. Now we need LED. Okay, we'll take one LED. We will need one more LED, so 2 LEDs. Okay, so now we are done with our components. So now we will take this resistor and first we will rotate it. Okay, done. We have rotated it properly. Shift this little bit, and we will take this resistor and place it over here. Okay, sorry, place it over here. Done. We will do same for this resistor. Rotate it. Okay, done. And then place it next to this. Okay, so done. We have made the connections for these two resistors. Now we will take this LED and place it over here. Okay, done. And this LED over here. Okay, so we will change the color for this LED. We will make it green, so that we can understand that these are two different LEDs. And now just minimize this little bit. Okay, we will make the connections for this. Suppose we will take color black and ground it. Take this and ground it over here. Okay, and same for this. At a time we will make connections, so you can understand that it is same for this ground. We have connected both this to the ground. Now what we will do is we will make the connection for buzzer. For buzzer we have to connect this to negative. Okay, so this is negative. Okay, we have connected, and this positive terminal, suppose we will change the color to green, and this we have to connect it to pin number 6. Okay, we have connected it to pin number 6. Understood? And now we will make the connection for resistor, that is terminal 2. We will take this and we will connect it to pin number 5. Okay, change its color to yellow so that we can understand it properly. And for this, suppose we will change its color to blue. Take this and connect it to pin number 4. Okay, so we will connect it to pin number 4. We are done with this connections for 2 resistors and 2 LEDs. Now we have to, suppose for ground, okay, for ground connect it to negative over here. Okay, and for positive we will change its color to red and take this VCC and connect it to just a minute, and you have to connect this VCC over here. Okay. We can make this connection over here also. There is no. Okay. So it will look more straight now. And now we will make these two connections. So we have to take this trigger and connect it to pin number 3. Okay, we have connected it to pin number 3. Let's change it color to purple. Okay, and now change color again, suppose make it green, and we have to connect this echo to pin number 2. Okay, pin number 2. So we have made it. Now we have to make the connections for this ground. We will connect Arduino to ground its pin. So we will connect it to the ground over here. See, we can see over here ground. So we will connect it. We have connected to ground, and now for positive, change color to red and just make its connection to 5 volt over here. Okay, so we have made all the connections now. So we will go to code, click on blocks, click on text, continue, and paste the code. Now what the code says that LED1 is connected to 4, LED to 5, echo pin to pin number 2. See, this is echo pin, we have connected to 2, trigger pin to pin number 3, and buzzer pin to 6, and threshold, and this we have provided. So LED1 output, LED2 output, trigger pin output, echo pin input. So this is all, and here we have provided one basic formula. When tone, when 2000, and no tone, buzzer pin. Okay, delay we have provided of 400 and 300. So let's see. We'll say start simulation. Some time. Okay, so this is the basic code for this.